Ancient Chinese emperors sent entire naval fleets into the sea, hunting for floating celestial cities. They saw them with their own eyes. But what they were looking at was a massive thermal lens in the atmosphere. For over 2,000 years, Chinese legends spoke of Penglai, floating mountain realms hovering above the ocean waves, housing immortal palaces of jade. That myth never happened, but the physical phenomenon is far stranger. In the 3rd century BC, the first emperor of China marched to the eastern shores of the Bohai Sea. Standing on the coastal cliffs, he witnessed distant jade castles and soaring mountains floating above the water horizon. Ancient texts recorded towers and palaces appearing in the sky, suspended between the clouds and the sea before vanishing like ghosts. Convinced that gods dwelt in these ethereal heavens, ancient rulers dispatched thousands of ships carrying gold and jade into the open sea, searching for an island they could see but never touch. None of it was divine. No floating heaven exists in the eastern sea, but along the coast of Shandong, China, a rare atmospheric thermal machine bends light across 30 miles of open water, projecting real islands high into the sky. This is Penglai, located on the northern coast of Shandong Province, China, at 37 degrees north and 120 degrees east. Here, between the Bohai Sea and the Yellow Sea, sea surface temperatures drop dramatically in late spring, while warm continental air blows from the land. Under these exact conditions, distant islands 30 miles away appear to levitate hundreds of feet into the air, warping into towering vertical battlements. How does a 5-mile slab of cold air turn the open ocean into a cosmic projector? The machine begins with temperature inversion. Under normal conditions, atmospheric temperature drops as you climb higher. But above the cold Bohai currents, a cold, dense marine air layer gets trapped beneath a warm air ceiling. Because cold air is denser than warm air, the refractive index of the atmosphere drops sharply with altitude, creating a steep vertical optical gradient. When sunlight reflects off real islands over the horizon, the light rays travel through this optical gradient and continuously curve downward toward the denser cold air. When this curvature matches the curvature of the Earth, light rays that would normally escape into space get bent back down into the eyes of an observer standing on the shore. Even more spectacular is the Fata Morgana effect. Alternating thermal layers act as complex cylindrical lenses, vertically stretching flat islands into soaring mountain spires and inverting reflection layers in real time. The ancient emperors were looking at real physical islands located 50 miles over the horizon, projected into the sky by the largest natural optical lens on Earth. Ancient myths believed gods built floating islands of jade to hide from mortal eyes. The truth is a blind geometric machine of light, marine currents, and thermal physics, projecting real continents into the clouds. A celestial illusion carved out of pure sunlight and ocean air, floating forever above the eastern sea,